bell pepper rice. I have different variants in this. I will show you both the variants. You can refer to the link below. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. I am Mukta Nagaraj. Let's begin. Bell pepper rice. To begin, I am going to pour in the oil. I am going to add in onions, ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, I will saute this till the water evaporates or the moisture evaporates from the tomatoes. Now the moisture is gone. I am going to add in the boiled peas. Little turmeric. Little cumin powder. The spice is chilli flakes. Now salt to taste. With this, now I am going to add in some Garam Masala. Now I am going to add in the rice. I am going to mix this well. This is a colourful, fragrant and tasty rice. I would close this with the lid and allow it for couple of minutes, just 2-3 minutes in sim so that it becomes more flavorful. Now the rice is ready to serve. This is simple. You can do it, taste it, and definitely share your comments.